Is it worth it? That's what we're here to check out today. This house in Newmarket on Old National Pike. Hopefully you're not picking up too much road noise there, but the road is 100 feet in front of me here, and there's a major highway right behind me. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,724 square feet. They are asking $590,000, and they have been on the market for 30 days. We're gonna go take a look at this thing, and I want you to let me know, is it worth it? Outside, that's good siding, 2-car garage, some brick, really big pavers here. French doors on the storm door and the regular door. Let's go take a look. Hey, it's really cold out here. If you don't hit that like button, I might freeze. Thanks. Got a beautiful wood stove. That thing looks brand new. Lots of light coming in from those windows. Picking up a smell. It's a good thing, meaning that they redid these floors. And seeing this here now. What in the heck? I don't know if the camera's picking all of this up, but there's a lot of bubbles in here. So they didn't factor in, I guess, the sunlight coming in. And kitchen is very pretty. Nice countertops, good cabinets. The appliances look a little beat up. There's some dents in here. That's missing whatever piece that's missing. The stove's just dirty. And what about out back? Just beyond those trees is a major highway, and I don't think my clients are gonna like the sound of that. I knew this one was gonna be a little bit of a stretch because it was so close to the highway, but I wanted to check it out anyways, just in case there was enough blocking the road that my clients would still like it, because overall, I think the rest of the house really does work for them. Let's go check out these bedrooms. And hall bath. Plenty of space for a dual vanity. Lots of natural light. And your basic tub shower. And it's missing a piece of tile down there. Bedroom number 1. We do have an overhead light. And even with the blinds closed, there's still a ton of natural light in here. Across the hall to bedroom number 2. And the closet's behind that door. And across the hall again to bedroom number 3. The heat's working well, but I don't know how well the microphone's picking up that noise, but that is the HVAC pumping. So for me personally, that thing's way too loud. And now the master. Wow. This thing is huge. You could cut this into 2 rooms and it would still be good sized rooms. And there's a little issue here. What else? We got a 50-50 paint job on this thing, and neither one of them are the same color. I'm wondering if this was a homeowner flip or what the issue was. What do we got back here? I would say this would be the closet. I mean, this thing's the size of a good nursery. You would obviously just need shelving and organizers, but that would be the closet. And in the master bath is a dual vanity. We got a big soaking tub with jets. And the shower, oh, it's got the cool drain in the middle. So that little thing in the middle there is actually the drain. We got some gross growth around the bottom there. Really good size. Looks to be a newer toilet. Let's go check out downstairs. One thing I just noticed leaving the bedrooms is the smoke detector is missing. So what else are we missing in here? Gosh, that fireplace is still really pretty. Place your bets now. Is the basement creepy? Let's go find out. It is really cold out here. If you would hit that like button, it would sure warm me up. And down we go. Large rec room. Good light. And I already popped the lid on that. That is a sump pump. And we have a full bath over here. The fan light is falling off. That's still dirty and falling apart. We're missing the toilet paper bar thingy. Full shower. And they didn't do a very good job on this, I don't think. Look how much extra is right there. Like, did they just use like 8 tubes of caulking on this? Wow, that's pretty bad. What else do we got? Oh, utility room over here. I'm no electrician, but that is a disconnect for a major appliance. I'm not sure which, but that little piece plugs into right there. All right, so furnace is a heat pump. And if I had to guess here, from 22. Pressure tank, oh, they made it easy on us. 24. And electric water heater is also 22. Washer and dryer look older and a little more worn. Another really good sized bedroom. Wow, that's loud. I don't know if you could pick that noise up, but that's the HVAC. That's pumping the heat through the house, but it's really loud. And even here, you took the time to tape the door or the handle, but you didn't finish taking the tape off. Sloppy job. Huge garage. That's missing pieces also. Now that you've seen the whole house, what are your thoughts on this thing? For $590,000, is it worth it? I don't think so. I can guarantee you my clients won't think so. What are your thoughts? Is it worth it?